Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to create underline text in Blender. So I'm going to share with you a really great and easy method. First you need to do is go to the left upper corner and select here object mode. It is really important because after that you will be able to add a new text. So now I go to add and then I go to text. Like you see, a new text has been successfully created here. So I press tab on my keyboard and I type here underline. Now we need to go to the right side and select here data, object data properties. And here you will see a list of really useful settings, but we are interested in to go to font. Now we need to select our text, and after that we need to click here on option underline toggle font style. So I click on this one option, and after that our text will be underlined. I recommend you to go to geometry and increase extrude value. After that, your text will look really great. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.